you find that your boyfriend doesn't listen to you when you speak, doesn't pay attention to what you say, he always forgets what you have said and just looks totally bored, well, you are in the right place, as in this video I will share with you top secret on what to do so he always gives his undivided attention to you. And not only when you speak, but he would also engage, ask you questions, and would listen to your words so carefully, like it would be diamonds coming from your lips. Hi, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the best videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video every Wednesday and Sunday. Now, are you ready for this? Are you ready for my top secret? Here it is. The last thing to do when he doesn't listen to you is to nag and complain. For example, saying things like, you never listen to when I speak, you don't care what I've got to say, I always need to repeat myself, I feel like I'm talking to a wall, you never ask me what my day was. Ladies, the only thing that this nagging and complaining does, it shows him how bothered you are by all of this. It shows him how much you care and how much you want his undivided attention. When you want something from a guy and you nag about it, you give him all the power. It's nearly like asking him for mercy to listen to you. It kind of goes like this. For example, let's imagine that he is a kid and he has a sweet that you want. So instead of giving it to you, he teases you with it. He's like, oh, you want it? That's so good, but you can't have it. But do you want it? You know, he licks it and he's like, but you can't have it. But do you want it? Yet, once you show that you don't care about the sweetie anymore, he stops caring about it either. So in your case, this is what you need to do. Ladies, make sure you are sitting down now, because this is the top secret. This is the secret. You stop speaking. Yes, that's right. You heard me. You stop talking. If you are sharing a story and he interrupts, you do not go back to that story unless he reminds you after his interruption. If he doesn't remind you about it, I would just share something if he's not interested in it. Queens, a lot of times with words less is more. For example, if at the beginning of dating you were talking a lot like a radio and he was all excited and listening intensely, well, that's normal, as it's the beginning. He was just getting to know you. Everything is exciting in the beginning as it's all new. But if few months later you still keep talking like a radio, it can get too much. It actually can get boring, exhausting, and even stop him from seeing you. So this is what you do to keep it fun, exciting, and him paying his undivided attention to you. Don't share everything with him every single time when you speak. Keep some things to yourself so you can always pull out that fun story he doesn't know about when the time is right. This will keep things much more exciting and he will look forward to the next date. Don't be an open book. Keep some mystery, which is the power of seduction. Ladies, as Nelson Mandela said, when you speak, you share what you already know. But when you listen is when you learn. Speak less, listen more. And once you will speak, This is when he will listen intensely, as he will appreciate you sharing. For more information, ladies, please watch my video. Here is how to talk to your man, which you can find just by following the link right here. If you would like to find out, are you a woman of high value or low value, take my free quiz, which you'll find in my video description below. And if you like my video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Join Greta's High Value Woman School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is private. It's called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one or group coaching, please book me through my website and then get in touch with me over WhatsApp, as that is where I coach. Thank you so much for watching. Kisses from London. Mwah.